Most weeks of the year, Populi posts release notes. These notes are a great way of keeping up with what we're doing generally, and specifically what's happening in the software. The release note posts contain two sections. First, a list of new features that have been added, and second, bug fixes that have been implemented. A new feature might be as simple as a new condition on the data slicer, or as complex as a new way to view courses from a student's perspective. Bug fixes can likewise be simple or complex. We highly recommend keeping tabs on these notes so you don't miss a change that could make your life simpler. You can easily follow our release notes so you'll get an email update every time we post them. Alright, here's how to follow Populi's release notes. If you're not already logged in, sign into your Populi instance. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Help. From the list of options, choose Search the Knowledge Base. On the resulting page, click the option for Release Notes and Announcements. Then click the heading for Release Notes. On that page, click the Follow button on the right and select to follow either New Articles or New Articles and Comments. Following the release notes will help you stay on top of changes to the software. While you're at it, you might also want to navigate to the Announcements page and follow that as well.